In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable your iPhone to scan QR codes every time. So guys, to enable your iPhone to scan QR codes anytime you want to scan any code, it's very simple and basic to do. And I'm going to be showing you that in less than 60 seconds. Okay, to do that, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings. So let's go to settings on here. Get to the settings. I want you to do one thing next. What I want you to do next, I want you to locate the camera. Just scroll down a little bit. You're going to see camera here. So I want you to tap on that camera. So let's tap on camera. So once you tap on camera, I want you to scroll down a little bit. You're going to see scan QR codes. You're going to see scan QR codes. As you can see, this scan QR code is turned off. I just want to make sure, you just want to make sure you turn this on. Just tap on this scan QR codes. Once you make sure it is checked in green color, that means you can actually scan QR codes on your iPhone with your camera. So guys, this is how you can actually enable your iPhone to always scan QR codes whenever you want to scan codes. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.